Rita, this is how you make an assignment. So first go to the green plus that says add and click that. Then go to assign activity and then create new activity. And then you give it a title. So I'm going to say example for Sarita. And then some instructions. So I'm going to say 1, read the story. 2, color the title blue. And then color the illustrations red. Okay, so those are my directions. I can also add voice instructions if I want. So I click that and click here. For this activity, first, read the story. Second, color the title blue. Third, color the illustrations red. So now they have my voice. Then I want to add a template for student response. So I'm going to go to upload to get something from my computer. You can also take a picture, you can do a drawing. I haven't done this one very much. You can do a video of yourself. So if you wanted to read them a story or tell them directions. Select from my computer. Let's go with... Okay, so I found a story called Cause and Effect. And so over here you can see there's 2 pages. If I didn't want this page, I can delete it, or I can duplicate it as well. I can also add a page. So if I wanted them to, maybe I want them to answer some questions. What is the story about? Oh, and I can change the background. That's fun. So then when I'm done with that, I click it, click the green check mark. And so now I have, I have all of those things. The more options doesn't really do much, but you could, the skills, this is very good. I can, so here's all the TSWs I'm teaching. So I'm going to add a new skill, and I'm going to call it example for Sarita. And I can put the other details. Click the green one. And tag skill. And then I save it. And then I can assign it. And if so click here to assign to all students, or I can click here to assign to only some students. Oops. So I'm going to assign it to myself. And then, so I assign to 1 student in 1 class and assign. And so if I go back to class, I can see that here is the example for Sarita. I can also change the day I want it assigned. Not that way. I can schedule when I want it assigned. So to do that, so I could make it assigned for the 21st. And sure, at that time. Yeah. So that's pretty much how it works. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions.